Okay, good evening, or good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. What I will be presenting this morning will be how to operate an alarm using a magnetic switch. Okay, this is the magnetic switch. For the meantime, the specification of this one is normally open. Uh, for this magnetic switch to close, we should place a magnet near this one to activate the contacts, meaning to make the contacts close or contact each other. So we could close these two white terminals here and activate the alarm. Okay, I will be discussing the alarm, how it is connected. This is the alarm, and it got a polarity. It got a plus terminal here, got a black terminal. To operate this alarm, you must have to apply a certain voltage to this red and black terminal. And what I did is that I used a 9-volt battery plus some connecting wires to connect this alarm here to the battery, including the magnetic switch. Okay, so the connection will be this. The plus terminal, we got the connecting wire. It goes to the positive terminal of the battery. And the negative terminal, this is another connecting wire. It's connected to one end of the wire that emanates from the magnetic switch. This is the wire that goes inside. The wire that goes out will be this one. Okay, and we got a connecting wire, and it is connected to the negative terminal. So for the meantime, the alarm is not activated, okay, because this magnetic switch here is open. And to operate the alarm, we must have to close the contacts inside. And since this is a normally open magnetic switch, for us to close the contacts inside, we must have to place beside it a magnet. The one inside is a magnet. We must have to place beside it a magnet so that the contacts will try to contact each other and closing the circuit. And if the contacts inside is closed, okay, the circuit is actually complete already. It's not open here. And to show you how this magnetic switch operate, it is something like this. For this is normally open, right? So to close the contacts, we must have to place beside this contact here a magnet. It got a magnet inside. Okay, I will now try to show you how to operate the alarm. This is open for the meantime. The circuit is not complete because it is open over here. And for the alarm to be activated, we must have to close the contacts inside. And to close the contacts, we must have to put the magnet beside it. Okay, I will now try to place the magnet beside it. Okay. When we place the magnet beside it, the contacts will close and we complete the circuit and the alarm is on. Okay, we move the magnet away, we open the contacts, and the alarm is deactivated. That's the way how to connect an alarm, okay, using a magnetic switch, of course, with the correct power supply. 9-volt battery is actually high for a, but it's more than good enough. So actually, 110 dB will be if you are sleeping. If somebody tried to open your door, okay, you could actually the alarm sounding. So I prefer 9-volt. I don't want to use 3-volt. 9-volt will be fine. It's easier to connect. Okay, I will show one more time how to activate this alarm. The circuit is not closed for the meantime because on this portion it is open. And to activate the alarm, we must have to close the contacts inside And to close the contacts inside, we must have to put a magnetic switch beside it. Okay? I will open it. Okay? The contacts inside is again open, so the alarm is deactivated. Okay, good morning from Los Angeles. What I have shown you is actually how to operate an alarm using a magnetic switch. And what I have shown you, I use a normally open magnetic switch. So to activate the alarm, we must have to place the contacts beside it. Okay? Good morning.